like this, that this will be rotating from 0 to 2 pi, and this point is 1 and this point will be -1. Clear? Now, in the question is given that let f be a holomorphic function in this domain where r is greater than 0 if f has a only 0 at z0. So what is the meaning of this line? Basically, if I define f like this, that f of z is equals to z minus z naught times g of z, where g of z naught is not equals to 0. So in this case, what happened? Let's see, if I put z naught here, then we get f of z naught is equals to 0. So clearly, z naught is a 0 for f. Clear? And now in the question is given that and of multiplicity q, because इसकी multiplicity q हमें given, what we can raise the power q here so that we can get the multiplicity q. Now we have to find this integration. So if I put all these values here, then what we get? It becomes 1 upon 2 pi iota sine of integration, then f dash z. So f dash z will be here z minus z naught power q into g dash z plus q times z minus z naught power q minus 1 into g of z, and which is divided by f of z. So this becomes z minus z naught power q into g of z and multiplied by z power p. So this is multiplied by z power p into dz. Clear? So now if I multiply these things, so what we get? Let's see, these things will be cancelled out here and gz will be cancelled out here. So what we get here? It becomes 1 upon 2 pi iota sine of integration. It is g dash z upon g of z multiplied by this number. So it is z power q, and basically it is not q, it is p. So I can put p here because it is z power p given in the question. Okay, then it is q times z power p divided by z minus z naught. Clear? And clearly we can see here that because what we have considered g of z, it is a non-zero function. So clearly this whole will be a non-zero function and it is an analytic function. So analytic function goes to 0 under the integration. So this whole part goes to 0. Then what we get here? We get only 1 upon 2 pi iota sine of integration q times z power p upon z minus z naught into dz. And clearly if we can see that z is equals to z naught is a pole here. So by Cauchy integral formula, we can say that it is 1 upon 2 pi iota times 2 pi iota times the functional value at z naught. So it becomes q times z naught power p. So this will be cancelled out and hence we get q times z naught power p is the answer. So option number A is my correct answer in this question. Thank you.